Hustlez fam, I want to start off by saying sorry I haven't been active on creating content. I've been caught up with life issues and travel, but it's clear to say I am back and for good. Now that I got that out my chest, let's get into the video. Are you stuck in your 9 to 5 but dreaming of starting your own business? Maybe you're scrolling through social media, seeing people launch digital products and wondering how they do it. Let me tell you something. You don't need to quit your job or have everything figured out to get started. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I launched my first digital product while working full-time. And the best part, how you can too. My first product wasn't even something I created from scratch. It was a rebranded PLR ebook bundle that gave me a 20x return on investment. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to take your first idea and turn it into something people will definitely pay you for. A couple of years ago, I was working full-time in a demanding job. My days were packed with extensive long warehouse days, from loading, unloading trucks, picking orders, training new employees, you name it. I felt stuck in a routine, like I was just going through those motions. To be completely honest with you, I enjoyed my job. It went by fast because I was constantly busy, and I enjoyed working alongside the partners I was working with. But deep down, I know I wanted something more. You know what that was? I wanted freedom. Freedom to work on my own terms, earn extra money, and create something meaningful. The problem? I had no idea where to start. Literally, I was lost in direction. And not to mention, falling for all those shiny object syndrome, next best things that were out there, yeah, it was crazy. Then something cool happened. I discovered PLR ebooks. Ready-made, white-labeled content that you can rebrand and sell as your own. It was a game changer for me because it meant I didn't have to create something from scratch. My first proof of concept was buying a PLR bundle of ebooks for under 50 bucks. Using System.io, I created a simple sales funnel with an opt-in page, sales page, and thank you page. I also recorded short promotional videos for social media platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok to drive traffic to my funnel. And guess what? It sold. My initial $50 investment turned into over $1,000, a 20x return on investment. That small win gave me the confidence I needed to keep going. Now let's talk about why starting small is the best way forward, especially if you're working a full-time job. Number one, you'll learn faster. When you launch quickly with something like a PLR product, you get real feedback from customers instead of spending months guessing what they want. Number two, you'll build confidence. Every sale, even if it's just one, proves that your idea has value. Number three, you'll grow through repetition. The more you do it, no successful product starts perfect. Your first version is just the beginning. You can always improve it later based on feedback. Here's the truth, Hustlez fam. Progress beats perfection every single time, and that's facts. I want to make this really clear. Starting small doesn't mean thinking small. It means focusing on one specific problem for one specific audience. All right, now let's dive into the exact steps you can follow to create and launch your first digital product while working a full-time job. Step number one, identify a problem you can solve. The best digital products solve specific problems. If you're not sure where to start, ask yourself, what challenges have I overcome that others might struggle with? What do people ask me for advice on? What skills or knowledge do I already have that could help someone else out? For example, if you're great at budgeting, create a budgeting template. If you've mastered productivity, share your strategies in an ebook. If fitness is your thing, design a beginner workout plan. If you're good at cooking that Filipino chicken adobo, you know that Filipino dish? Yeah, the one I love. Create a recipe ebook with recipes. And if creating from scratch feels overwhelming, start with PLR content. Platforms like idplr.com offers thousands of ready-made ebooks that you can rebrand and sell. There's a bunch more, or you can check out the PLR ebook bundle I have linked in the description box below. I even created a video sharing how I rebrand PLR ebooks I'll also have that linked in the description as well. If you need help with ideas, leverage AI, like Perplexity, for ideas for digital products you can create around your specific target audience. Step 2, rebrand or create your product. If you're using PLR content, number 1, rebrand it using Canva. Change the title, cover design, and formatting so it feels unique. Number 2, add your own insights or examples to make it more personal. If you're creating from scratch, use Google Docs to outline and write your content. And then you can use Canva for design. It's perfect for creating ebooks or templates. The key here is simplicity. Don't overcomplicate it. Your first product doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to deliver value. Step number 3 is going to be to set up your sales funnel. Now that your product is ready, let's talk about selling it. System.io makes building sales funnels extremely easy. All you have to do is 1, create an opt-in page where people can download a freebie or learn about your product. Number 2, add a sales page with compelling copy that highlights the problem your product solves. Step 3, set up payment processing so people can buy instantly. The best part, System.io handles everything from email automation to payment processing, all in one platform. If you want further help with creating funnels to sell digital products, I have a dedicated video in which you can click on here to the top right, where I share step-by-step on how to get that all set up. I also have a bunch of tutorial videos on my channel that I believe you will get tons of value from. Also, real quick, running an entire online business, it's important to have everything organized. I personally use a content planner in Notion. It's really easy to create, but if you want access to the planner I use, I'll have a link for you in the description. It's the perfect planner to keep you organized. Feel free to check it out. Now finally, it's time to promote. Here's how. Number 1, YouTube. Create short videos showcasing a problem your product solves and share them on your channel. Use YouTube Shorts for quick engagement. Number 2, Instagram. Share behind the scenes content or testimonials on your feed and stories. Number 3, TikTok. Use short form videos to reach a younger audience. Showcase your product in a fun and creative way. Number 4, Facebook groups. Join relevant groups where your target audience hangs out at and share your product with them. Number 5, X, formerly known as Twitter. Share quick tips or quotes from your product and engage with potential customers. Remember this, Hustlez family. Your goal isn't just to sell, but also to gather feedback so you can improve over time. Let's address some common excuses. Hey Mel, I don't have enough time. Start with just 30 minutes a day. It adds up fast. Trust me. Hey Mel, I'm not an expert. You don't need to be. Stay one step ahead of your audience. Hey Mel, what if no one buys? That's okay. Use feedback from early buyers as valuable data for improvement. The hardest part is starting, but once you do, everything gets easier. So here's what I want you to do next. Number 1, write down one problem you can solve today. Use PLR content or create something simple like an ebook or template. Number 3, set up your sales system using System.io and start promoting on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Link to System.io will be in the description along with the funnel you can access to sell your digital products. I know, you're welcome, Hustlez fam. Remember, your first product doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to exist. And there you have it. That is what helped me start my online business while working a full-time job. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Or head on over to my website, hustlesempire.com. I have a contact form there. Reach out and I'll make sure to get back to you. And I also have a resource section that you can check out as well. If you have any video suggestions you would like to see me create, let me know and I'll add them to my list. And somehow YouTube keeps telling your boy that you should watch this video here. So I'll see you in that video. Thank you for watching.